Now in my lesson 2 I am going to explain one more concept in lines. So the concept is concurrent lines. So I have explained intersecting lines, I have explained parallel lines, I have explained line segment ray. Now what are concurrent lines? Concurrent lines means suppose if more than two lines are there, then we use the word concurrent lines. So if all the lines are passing through one point, so this is one line passing through one point, so let us say this point is P. So there is one more line passing through same, there is one more line passing through same, and like this if more than two lines, three or more than three lines passing through, say let us, I am not putting arrow marks, one, there is line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, so and line number 4 also. There are 4 lines passing through the same point, and then they are called concurrent lines, and P is called point of concurrency. Point of concurrency. Okay, so this is one more line, one more concept of lines. So now you have learned a line segment, ray, parallel lines, intersecting lines, and concurrent lines. Okay, now we will go to the next part of the next concept of the lesson is angle. Okay, next concept, because lines and angles is the chapter name. We learned about lines, now we will learn about the angles and angle. Okay, so how an angle is formed. Suppose if there are two rays, let me draw a point is there, a point is there. From this point, let us say P, if there are two rays are going on, this is one ray and this is one more ray. When one point, if there are two rays are going on, then an angle is formed. An angle is formed. Okay, so here there are two lines, there are two rays, PQ is one ray and PR is one ray. So now this entire thing is one angle. So we put a line like this, a curve like this, and we represent angle P, or with three letters also you can represent angle angle QPR. P should be in the middle because P is the vertex, QPR, or angle RPQ. Any one of the way is okay. The better way is three letters representation. So now P is called vertex, this is called vertex. Okay, and these two, PQ is arm, this is arm. Okay, arm or hands also. Some people will say arm, some people will say hand. So there are two arms. Okay, there are two arms and there is a vertex. Okay, so now this is a angle, and this angle is measured in degrees. The unit of angle is degree. So now we measure the angle using the protractor. Okay, so we understood how an angle is formed, how angle is represented, and how the angle is, what is the unit of angle, and how the angle, with what instrument angle is measured. So using the protractor you can measure the angle. So this is the degree, right? Now this is, let me go to one more concept of angle. Types of angles. Okay, let me go to one more angle, types of angles, because these are things you have learned in the lower classes. So let me go to types of angles. Okay, types of angles. Now let me start my explanation. This is a point P. Now I am taking a ray. So this is initial ray. A ray can be completely round. Say this is one ray, okay, and one more ray I will draw like this. If ray falls on this, there is no angle. If ray goes like this, angle is there between the two rays. One ray is fixed, another ray I am moving it out. So I am moving at one place. It will be perpendicular to the first ray, initial ray, and in one place it is in line with the initial ray. Again it is perpendicular, again it is coincident. So when the both rays are coincident, the angle is 0. When the ray is slowly moving, then angle is formed: 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 120 degrees, 140, 150, 180 degrees, 200, 230, 240, 270 degrees, 280, 300, 340, 360 degrees. So in one round we will be having a 360 degrees. So that 360 degrees we use the word complete angle. Complete angle. Okay. So we call it as 360 degrees is the power to the power of 0. Okay. So that means at an angle at a point. So for this at point, the angle is how much? 180, 360 degrees. So then half of this angle is a straight line. Okay. So the another one is a straight angle. I am coming from the bigger angle to straight angle. Straight angle means suppose this is one ray, this is one ray, okay, another ray is in line with this. So then what happened? An angle is formed between these two rays. This is one ray and another ray. So PA is one ray and PB is one ray. So now APB are collinear, or PB PA are in the same line. Then we call this angle as a straight angle, and it is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. The other one is a right angle. Right angle. So right angle means again you take the initial point P. Okay. Initial point P, and there is a ray here. One ray is here, another ray is like this, and then if it is a perpendicular, that means first ray PA is perpendicular to this PB, then we call this angle as 90 degrees, and this is nothing but right angle. So complete angle is 360, straight angle is 180, half angle, half of complete angle, half of straight angle is nothing but 90 degrees. So in my next lesson we will be continuing the types of angles. Bye bye.